Hey editors, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this 3D spinning logo in Premiere Pro in just 1 minute. To start, add your desired logo to start of your timeline one layer upon the main clip. Right-click on it, select Speed/Duration and change the duration value to 2 seconds. Now go to Effects panel, search for Basic 3D and add the effect to your logo. Make sure the time indicator is in the start of your clip. Go over to Effect Controls panel and click on the stopwatch icon next to Swivel. Then move your time indicator to the end of the logo layer and change the value of Swivel to 360. To repeat the spinning, simply duplicate the clip by holding the Alt key and dragging and dropping the logo layer for as long as you want. Now you create a 3D spinning logo in Premiere Pro, so please like this video to support me and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Wishing you all the best and see you in next video.